a unit to get westbound and block traffic.
We need a unit to block westbound traffic at Woodhue. Our direction of fire is eastbound. He's moving eastbound.
Sure.
Your incident has been updated. New message.
O&A.
I'll choose assistance. I'll choose assistance.
Put your hands up!
Avoiding incident. Your incident has been updated.
Current 210, shots taken, suspect down. We're going to need the roadblock off westbound. 204.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
I got eyes on him. We're gonna be at William Cannon and Kennelly.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
Get. 2210, direction of fire is going to be westbound. He's in the middle lane. Stop, sir! Stop! Stop where you're going! Stop! Frank 210, he is going eastbound on the north curb line. Direction of fire, still going to be westbound. I got a lot of traffic. There is what appears to be a black pistol in the middle of his lap. He tried covering up when he saw me. To get westbound and block traffic. Stop! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Put your hands!
Drop the gun!
What's the gun? Drop the gun!
Let me see your hands! Drop the gun!
Hands out!
Put your hands out! Frank 210's, shots taken, suspects down. Going to need the road blocked off westbound.
Put your
hands up! Coming to you. Coming to you. Put your hands up!
You good?
Yes, sir. He still has the gun under him.